Hey folks, Poverty Point Customs here. What we're going to do today is install a set of wall sconces in my bedroom. We're going to put one here and one on the other side. So what it comes with is your two shades, your two wall sconces. So on the back, you're going to see it comes with a little pack here with your screws and whatnot. And what you're going to do first, you're actually going to take out these Phillips screws. And this is what's going to mount on the wall. Now you can either plug this into 110 volt, which I'm actually going to do, into an outlet, or you can actually hardwire this. And as you can see on the front, here's your on and off switch. So the next step is you got to figure out exactly how high you want to have them, and you want to put them over your nightstand, so you want to make sure they're centered. As well, you want to make sure your bed's centered in your room where you're going to keep it. All right, because I'm plugging into the wall, I actually don't need this ground here, so I'm going to take this off, just like that. So other than being centered on your nightstand, you want to determine how high you want to have it. I don't want to have it too high, probably looking at around there. So you're going to want to measure it to make sure this is nice and level. So I just measured up from my baseboard, so I'm going to start the bottom of it being at 40 inches. So what I did first, I installed the first screw in. I actually used deck screws. They're a lot longer, so I want to make sure it gets a good bite in there. And then I'm going to have to measure from here down to the baseboard as well as this side to make sure that this is level, because this is going to determine how level your light is right here. So if you have a level, put it on here. All right, so I took measurements from here down to my baseboard on both sides. So this is equal distance going down. So we're going to install one more screw here. So one here and one here should be sufficient. Now we're going to put on the wall sconce, make sure everything's nice and level. And that looks level, so we're going to install the shade now. So to install the shade, you need to unscrew this part here. Put your shade on. And then this part's going to screw on there to hold it on. And the next step is to plug it in. All right, it's all plugged in and working. It takes an E26 light bulb base, so a standard light bulb. So I'm going to do the identical thing right on the other side. And there we go, they're all installed. I like the fact that you can actually move these around a little bit if you're doing some reading over the bed. Again, I have quite a bright ceiling light, so I like this. It's nice and easy on the eyes at nighttime. Again, if you wanted to hardwire it, you wouldn't have the wire going down to your outlet. And that's just showing the contrast. They're about a 40 watt LED light bulb, so that's perfect. Anyways, just doing a quick video installing my new wall sconces. Again, this is something that everybody can do. Just be careful when you're putting your screws in the wall that there's no existing wires behind it. And make sure you're going into a stud. And I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure to hit that like button. If you have any suggestions, tips, comments, or whatnot, make sure you post them below. If not, thanks for watching.